I used to think that the secret to mastering any complex skill was just more time, more hours, more effort, more brute force. But I kept hitting a wall. So I decided to run an experiment, take the most intense disciplined study method I could find, and apply it to a brand new challenge for 30 days straight. No excuses, no shortcuts. The progress I made in just 4 weeks was honestly shocking. But I realized that the true breakthrough wasn't the hours I put in. It was how I managed the cognitive chaos. Here is the reality of trying to learn something difficult. It's not just the information that drains you. It's the management of that information. By day 10, my mind was cluttered. I had notes scattered across 3 apps, a physical notebook I couldn't keep track of, and a dozen bookmarks I'd never look at again. I was spending half my study time just trying to figure out what to focus on next. That's the real bottleneck. It's not the complexity of the material, it's the complexity of the process. I realized I was approaching this with a to-do list mentality when I needed an operating system mentality. I needed a way to offload the mental clutter so I could focus entirely on the learning. That is when I fundamentally redesigned my workflow. I stopped thinking about what I needed to study and started building a system to handle the how. A system that forced me to be consistent, tracked my retention intervals automatically, and turned the study process into an executable, repeatable loop. This is the backbone of the entire experiment. It's the Notion template I built to bridge the gap between planning and doing. It functions as a second brain. It's not just a place to store data. It's a force multiplier for your focus. It forces you to engage with the material, tracks your progress, and highlights exactly what you need to review based on your own retention gaps. This template took the guesswork out of my daily routine, turning 30 days of chaotic learning into a precision-engineered growth plan. This system is why I didn't burn out after the first week. If you're tired of the cycle of starting, struggling, and eventually giving up because you're overwhelmed, this is the missing link. You can integrate this exact workflow into your own life right here. Stop studying harder. Start building a system that does the heavy lifting for you.